hand is extremely complex. There are 50 actuators in the hand. So that's 100 per robot.
Oh my God, that's incredible. The hands of the Tesla bot Gen 4 and 5 will have 50 actuators. This isn't a rumor or an overstatement. It was confirmed by Elon Musk himself. According to Musk, the making of Optimus is already in progress. And with a commercial price of $20,000, anyone will be able to buy a Tesla bot as easily as buying a smartwatch or a mobile phone. Honestly, we can't believe it, especially for a humanoid robot loaded with dozens of sophisticated, cutting-edge AI and advanced mechanical technologies. But Musk strongly insists that this will be the final price, and Tesla bot Gen 4 will be such a human-like version that even we won't be able to tell which is a human hand and which is a robot hand. More importantly, the role of the Tesla bot won't be limited to just being a homemaker or a manufacturing robot. It will go even further, taking on over 5,000 new tasks and features next year before its official release. You have to have a hand with the sensitivity, precision, and degrees of freedom of a human hand. Things we find easy to do, like pick up a screwdriver or turn a wrench, or even say thread a needle or play the guitar. So, how can a Tesla bot Gen 4 cost just $20,000? What's driving this cost revolution? Welcome to AutoFusion. Elon Musk is no stranger to making seemingly unrealistic promises, but today's statements are truly shocking. In his latest interview, Elon Musk called Optimus the greatest product of all time, even surpassing the smartphone. He imagines that in the coming decades, every person on Earth could own at least 4 Optimus robots of their own, like R2-D2 or C-3PO from Star Wars, but smarter, more useful, and most importantly, more human-like. These Tesla robots won't just clean or carry things, they could even assist in surgery with precision, surpassing that of the best human surgeons. In his statement, Elon Musk revealed a vision for Tesla Optimus that goes far beyond our imagination, with a grand ambition to transform human society. He described a future where humanoid robots become as common as smartphones, and eventually there will be billions of robots worldwide, an inevitable trend aligned with human everyday needs rather than a luxury product. Accordingly, the Tesla bot Gen 4 can confidently be compared to R2-D2 or C-3PO, ready to stand by our side as an assistant, protector, and companion in daily life, capable of taking care of children, walking the dog, grocery shopping, or simply chatting like a friend, or even a psychological counselor. Even crazier, Musk predicts that in industry, humanoid robots will be deployed at a ratio of 3 or 4 robots per human worker, pushing the total number of robots worldwide to 30 to 40 billion units. In the near future, the next generation Tesla bots will penetrate even deeper into manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and construction across the globe. Economically, Elon Musk has confirmed that the path to reducing the cost of Optimus to around $20,000 relies on Tesla achieving a stable production of 1 million units per year. But honestly, with AI robots typically being extremely expensive, Musk claims that Optimus will cost only half as much as an EV. Can we really trust that this price point will become a reality? Achieving this production cost requires multiple rounds of innovation and integration. While Optimus is highly complex, especially the human-like hand, each robot will need around 100 actuators, most of which are concentrated in the hands and arms. But according to Elon Musk, he emphasizes that Tesla will not compromise on the complexity of the 5-0 degree of freedom hand because a truly useful robot must have the dexterity, precision, and degrees of freedom equivalent to a human hand to perform skilled tasks like turning screws, threading needles, or even playing musical instruments. You know, as we've mentioned many times, and Elon Musk has often discussed the story of Optimus's hand. If an Optimus costs $50,000, the hand technology alone accounts for at least 50% to 60% of that cost. According to Musk, for Optimus 3 to have human-like hands, Tesla requires a sophisticated combination of 5 fingers, 4 fingers, and a thumb with different joints, varying lengths, and a musculature system distributed throughout the forearm. Creating a dexterous robotic hand capable of performing tasks ranging from holding an egg or threading a needle to lifting weights is an enormous challenge. It demands actuators that are compact, powerful, and extremely precise. Without a sophisticated hand, Optimus cannot carry out the wide range of labor Tesla envisions, creating a world where material wealth is accessible to everyone without depleting natural resources. In this imagined future, robots could build houses, infrastructure, and even complex architectural projects for anyone who needs them. Musk also foresees a profound impact on healthcare. With superhuman precision and consistency, Optimus Gen 4 and 5 could perform advanced medical procedures, essentially creating a workforce equivalent to the world's best doctors. A solution that money alone cannot provide, since human experts are inherently limited. According to Elon Musk, the building blocks required to create the Tesla Optimus humanoid robot have been embedded within the Tesla ecosystem for years. He has repeatedly emphasized that current Tesla vehicles are in essence robots. They are just four-wheeled robots. As an example, Musk points to the fully autonomous cybercab robotaxi, which operates entirely like a robotic system. Every Tesla electric vehicle already possesses the fundamental components necessary for a humanoid robot. These include high-capacity batteries, advanced power electronics, motors, gear systems, AI-powered vision, processing chips, sophisticated control software, and fleet management capabilities for autonomous vehicles. Taken together, these elements form a substantial foundation for building a fully functional humanoid robot. Leveraging this existing platform, Musk asserts that Tesla has the expertise and infrastructure required to lead the global humanoid robotics industry. Optimus, in his view, is essentially a robot equipped with arms and legs. From this perspective, Musk confidently states that Tesla has become the largest robot manufacturer in the world. Musk has outlined three key challenges that make developing a truly capable robot extremely difficult. The first and most formidable is the engineering of the arms and hands. Human hands, he notes, are incredibly sophisticated, capable of extraordinary dexterity and precision. Replicating this level of mechanical finesse is widely regarded as one of the most complex engineering tasks in robotics. According to Musk, the other two major obstacles preventing other companies from producing effective humanoid robots are deploying AI in real-world environments and achieving large-scale manufacturing. He emphasizes that human hands are masterpieces of engineering. They are exquisitely delicate and versatile, and accurately reproducing their abilities in a robotic form represents the most daunting challenge in humanoid robotics. Despite this, Musk believes that Tesla is uniquely positioned to overcome all three of these challenges, something that competitors like Boston Dynamics or Figure AI have yet to achieve. Tesla's unparalleled experience in manufacturing millions of vehicles annually, combined with its team of AI engineers developing the company's advanced full self-driving system, provides a foundation of technical expertise. More importantly, Tesla possesses the industrial-scale automation processes required to scale humanoid robot production efficiently. Currently, Optimus is in its 2.5 version. Even at this stage, the robot can navigate independently, move around office environments, recharge itself, and perform basic tasks. However, Musk highlights that the next iteration, Optimus 3, will represent a major leap forward. He describes the robot as so lifelike that when you see it, it will look like a person wearing a robot suit. Musk has confirmed that this model is scheduled to be unveiled in the first quarter of next year. Beyond this, Tesla plans to refresh the Optimus lineup annually. Optimus 4 is expected to launch in 2027, followed by Optimus 5 inches 2028. Each new generation will include significant upgrades in functionality and performance. While production capacity is expected to grow exponentially over time, what has particularly captured the attention of the tech community is Musk's projection regarding cost. He predicts that once Tesla achieves a production rate exceeding 1 million robots per year, the manufacturing cost for each unit could be as low as $20,000. If realized, this would represent a dramatic revolution in the robotics and automation industry. At such a price point, Optimus could become accessible to a wide range of households and businesses, serving as a companion and assistant across a variety of settings. From industrial labor and healthcare support to hotel services and assistance for the elderly or people with disabilities, the applications of Optimus could be transformative. Musk's reasoning for this ambitious goal is grounded in Tesla's existing technological ecosystem. The company's experience in building electric vehicles has already provided many of the core components for a humanoid robot. Batteries capable of delivering sustained power, sophisticated electric drive systems, high-performance processing chips, and AI-powered software are already being manufactured at scale. These elements, Musk argues, make the jump to humanoid robotics not only feasible but strategically advantageous for Tesla. By adding limbs to what is essentially already a robotic platform, the company can create Optimus without starting from scratch, a factor that gives Tesla a significant head start over competitors. Another central point Musk emphasizes is the uniqueness of the human hand. While some robotics companies have made progress in leg locomotion or AI navigation, almost none have successfully replicated the dexterity of a human hand. According to Musk, achieving this level of mechanical precision is essential for Optimus to handle a wide variety of tasks in the real world. From simple chores like picking up objects and assembling small components to complex activities such as threading needles, turning screws, or even playing musical instruments, the hand is pivotal. Without it, the robot would be severely limited in its potential to augment human labor in meaningful ways. In addition to physical dexterity, the software and AI capabilities of Optimus are critical. Tesla's expertise in developing full self-driving technology provides a strong foundation for robots capable of operating safely and intelligently in real-world environments. Unlike many experimental robots that are confined to controlled labs, Optimus is designed to navigate dynamic, unpredictable spaces, responding autonomously to obstacles, human activity, and environmental changes. Musk highlights that integrating this level of AI with a fully functional humanoid body is a challenge few, if any, companies can match today. How does the design of the Tesla Bot Gen 4 differ from Gen 3? From Elon Musk, Tesla Bot Gen 4 could potentially achieve productivity levels up to 6 times that of an average human per year, thanks to its ability to operate continuously around the clock. In fact, it doesn't rely on conventional battery cycles the way we imagine. When connected, it can maintain operation indefinitely. Essentially, it remains plugged in and ready to work at all times. During the most recent earnings call, one of the most striking highlights was Elon Musk's discussion of the upcoming Optimus Gen 4, which he suggested could debut as early as the first quarter of 2027. Musk hinted that this new version would challenge traditional notions of what a robot looks like. Rather than appearing mechanical, it would resemble a human wearing a highly advanced robotic suit. He emphasized that viewers might have to physically tap or interact with it to fully comprehend that it is in fact a robot. According to Musk, the robot will be ready for public demonstration, and the level of realism will be striking. "You might not even think it's a robot at first glance," he said. "It will look just like a human in a robotic exoskeleton. The appearance will be so convincing that you may need to poke it to confirm it's actually a robot." This description suggests that Generation 4 will achieve an unprecedented level of refinement, with nearly all wiring, actuators, and joints meticulously concealed. Musk has previously indicated that the robot's movements will be exceptionally smooth and fluid, almost indistinguishable from human motion. Additionally, there are circulating rumors that Tesla Bot Gen 4 could feature a high-resolution OLED display integrated into the face, support Tesla's Grok voice interface, and include hands with highly realistic human-like dexterity. While Musk has neither confirmed nor denied these rumors, he reiterated that the sale model is Optimus 3. Now, Optimus 2.5 has already demonstrated impressive capabilities. In live demonstrations, the robot performed fluid martial arts movements that caused many attendees at events like Tron Ares to momentarily mistake it for a person in a costume. It has also demonstrated functional abilities such as holding a microphone on stage and serving food at the Tesla diner. These performances were remarkable, but they represent only the beginning of Tesla's ambitions. Looking forward, Elon Musk has revealed plans for the production scale of future generations. Optimus Gen 4 is expected to reach production numbers in the tens of millions, while Gen 5 could scale up to hundreds of millions. Naturally, these projections may sound extraordinary, especially considering that Optimus Gen 3 has not yet been released, but they reflect the company's aggressive vision for the widespread adoption of humanoid robots. Optimus Gen 3, in particular, is generating excitement because it promises to introduce technology that significantly surpasses the current capabilities of Gen 2.5. As Elon Musk explained, a humanoid robot that can operate continuously without the biological limitations of humans has the potential to outperform a typical worker by an astonishing margin, while humans must sleep, eat, rest, and recover. An Optimus robot, especially one designed to run indefinitely while connected to power, removes these constraints entirely. In purely operational terms, a machine capable of functioning 24 hours a day can theoretically deliver up to 8,760 hours of work per year. Compare that with the approximately 1,800 to 2,000 hours the average person contributes annually. And Musk's estimate of 5 times the output of a human becomes far more than a bold promise. It becomes mathematically grounded. Even when factoring in occasional maintenance downtime, the gap remains overwhelmingly in favor of the robot. But raw hours only tell part of the story. Unlike humans, robots don't fatigue, lose concentration, or suffer declines in precision over long shifts. Tesla Bot Gen 4 can theoretically maintain consistent performance at the exact same quality from the first minute of operation to the last. This reliability unlocks an entirely different dimension of value, especially in fields where precision is critical. In surgical environments, for example, the absence of tremors, stress, emotional variability, or exhaustion allows a robot to deliver perfect repeatability. Even the world's most skilled surgeons experience fluctuations in stamina and attention, but a machine does not. And outside the operating room, Optimus could radically transform healthcare logistics by handling repetitive physical tasks, transporting patients, moving medical equipment, sterilizing environments, or managing supplies. These activities consume vast amounts of time and labor in hospitals, yet add little intellectual value, making them ideal responsibilities for a robot that never grows tired. Still, Musk remains adamant that none of these benefits matter unless Optimus is proven completely safe. Tesla's vision is not merely to build a powerful robot, but to build a trustworthy one capable of coexisting with humans in close proximity. Musk's broader objective is a future defined by sustainable prosperity, a world where robots take over strenuous labor, allowing humans to focus on creativity, innovation, and quality of life. Of course, even these industrial and medical applications represent only a fraction of what Optimus is being trained to accomplish. At the current stage, Tesla continues to prioritize domestic usefulness, recognizing that home functionality is the key to widespread adoption. Most people will not be convinced of a humanoid robot's value until it can confidently manage household tasks. And historically, this concept has always lived in the realm of science fiction. For decades, popular culture has painted humanoid robots as futuristic servants, seen in films like I, Robot, or in distant imaginings of technological utopia. The idea of a machine preparing dinner, assembling a sandwich, or grabbing a beer from the fridge has long been considered unrealistic, bordering on laughable. Cooking requires sensory perception, fine motor control, and nuanced hand movements, abilities even advanced industrial robots struggle to replicate. So, if the Tesla Bot Gen 4 can still maintain a price of $20,000 while offering a 50 degree of freedom hand design, would you wait until 2027 to buy it? Or would you choose the Gen 3 that will be available early next year? Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to See Now so you don't miss the next breaking Tesla update. It's coming in just 2 days. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.